Welcome to the tutorial video for the Xtimeline web tool. The great thing about watching a tutorial video is that at any point you may pause the video if you need more time, and I urge you to do so. It will be much easier to follow if you're able to work at your own pace with the video. At times I will ask you to pause the video in order to practice a particular skill independently. This will help you to refine your skills with this program. Okay. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. Now go to www.xtimeline.com. And the first step will be to create a new account. In order to create a new account, you will need to type in your email 2 times, choose a display name. It makes it easier if you create a username that's the first part of your email. Then create a password and confirm that password to ensure accuracy. Accept the terms of service and privacy. And then click Submit. You can pause the video if you need more time to complete this step. Congratulations! You've created a new account. So this means that you can now create a new timeline. As you can see, this is what your homepage will look like once you've created an account. Now, locate the Create a Timeline button in the top right-hand corner. Click it to start creating your new timeline. Enter in all the basic information for your new timeline, such as the title or the subject. The asterisks indicate which information is required to set up your timeline. After giving it a title, you will be asked to check the availability of the URL. It will automatically copy your title, as you can see, into the box. But if it's not available, you can edit it until you find an address that is available. If it is available, the yellow OK button will pop up. If not, you will be indicated that it is unavailable and will have a chance to change it. Select a category and then give a short description of your timeline below. Click Create, and then you're ready to begin adding events. Please pause the video if you need additional time to complete the requirements, especially if you need extra time to browse for a photo and upload it so that your timeline will have a cover photo. Click on Add Event to add information to your timeline. Once there, you will be prompted to give the event a title and a date. Then you can add a photo or a video and add a description below. To add a photo, all you have to do is browse on your computer and select a photo to upload, like you normally would for any other site. As always, pause the video for additional time. Now try it on your own. Create an event independently, just like we did before. Add your title and date, upload a photo, and give a short description, and then add it to your timeline. Please pause the video to complete this task. Once you are finished and are satisfied with the outcome, click play, and we will move on to the next step. Embedding video clips is very similar to uploading photos. It just requires an extra step. First, you must locate the video that you would like to use. The easiest way to do this is through YouTube. Once you have searched for and located a video on YouTube that you wish to use, click on the share button underneath the video. Then, click on the embed button. Code will automatically be highlighted for you. And all you have to do is right-click and then select Copy. Then, once back on the Xtimeline screen, click the Embed option next to Media and right-click once again in the box below, this time choosing Paste, which will then insert your code for your video. Once you've created all of the events that you desire, you can see the list of events that you've created, and then you're able to view your timeline. Each one of the events on the timeline can be clicked on to view your pictures or video that you've uploaded. Let's look at a student sample. Now, apply all the skills that you've learned to create a timeline that you can use as an example in your own classroom. This will be an example that you can use to show students all of the things you can do on Xtimeline. Create your own timeline with 5 events. Make sure they all have different pictures, and 2 of those events must have embedded photos. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this tutorial and learning how to use Xtimeline. Please visit my library WordPress blog where you found these videos and leave me some feedback. Also, feel free to contact me with any questions that you may have. Thanks again.